Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more informative content. Explore your genetic blueprint with the GenePlanet Atom DNA Test Kit. We'll delve into its features, usage, and provide links to the product and further resources in the description below. GenePlanet presents a complete atom DNA testing solution designed for individuals seeking a deep dive into their health, lifestyle, and genetic predispositions. Ideal for those committed to optimizing their well-being and proactively addressing potential health concerns, this test kit offers a powerful combination of scientifically grounded data and actionable recommendations personalized to your unique DNA. The process is straightforward. After purchasing the kit, you collect a saliva sample using the provided materials and send it back to GenePlanet's laboratory. Results are typically available within a few weeks, accessible through their secure online platform or convenient mobile app. A key strength of GenePlanet is its wide array of reports encompassing health, nutrition, sports performance, and general lifestyle factors. Regarding health, GenePlanet assesses genetic predispositions to various conditions, offering insights into potential risks such as cardiovascular problems or lactose intolerance. While not a diagnostic tool, it's an invaluable resource for raising early awareness and implementing preventative measures. The nutrition report provides personalized dietary guidance based on your genetic makeup, including recommendations for vitamins and nutrients you may need to prioritize. The sports performance section analyzes your physical potential, muscle type, and recovery time, making it a valuable asset for athletes or fitness enthusiasts. GenePlanet also features a unique lifestyle report with tips on stress management, sleep optimization, and weight control, all tailored to your genetic profile. Furthermore, their user-friendly platform simplifies exploring your data and integrating these insights into your daily routine. Who is this for? GenePlanet is ideal for individuals who prioritize health and fitness or seek a deeper understanding of their genetic influences on their daily choices. It's especially beneficial for those aiming to develop a personalized wellness plan grounded in scientific data. In conclusion, GenePlanet delivers a robust and user-friendly atom DNA testing experience, blending comprehensive health and lifestyle insights with practical advice. If you're ready to harness the power of your DNA to enhance your life, explore the links in the description to learn more or order your kit today.